Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is going to be a Sunday reset routine. My house is literally a mess. I need to wash my dishes, I need to do laundry, and I need to clean up the rest of my house. This isn't gonna be a deep clean though. I can't do a deep clean. I'm not in the mood for it. It's not happening, but I can straighten up a bit. So let's just get started, get to cleaning, and it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna be fine. And then I'm getting sushi. So at some point in this video, we're gonna be having sushi. So. Okay, so I've cleaned the bathroom, I've cleaned the living room, I've cleaned, well, I'm doing the dishwasher and I started my laundry. So I'm making progress and I ordered myself some sushi and I got the Godzilla roll and I got this like shrimp tempura roll, I think. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I got the shrimp tempura roll and then I also got the Godzilla roll and then I have two sauces right here. I love the way that they packaged it, so I know I'm gonna order from them more for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna dig into this right now and I'm so